Hello guys, welcome to Actify YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell about a new token where you take 100% profit of your investment. The name of the token is DSHARE. If we look at the chart, we can see that there was a previous uh, dump like this, like the present one. And if we measure it after the dump, we can see that there is 200% up. So now at present we can see a similar dump. So if we take entry here, we can make a profit of 100%. This project is on Fantom network. If you want risky, you can read their talks, and if you want you can stake also here. As we can see, they already completed their KYC, and it is a 2 month, more than 2 month old project. So there is not a big risk according to me, but you invest according to yourself because crypto is always risky, as we see in the USD dump. So be aware of that. If we look at the TVL, we can see that so it seems to be a great project. I invested uh, some amount and I am already 50% up. So now you can decide what you do. Thank you everyone. That's all about today's video. I hope you can follow us on Twitter, and you can join us on Telegram group for more updates. Thank you everyone.